step into clarity like never before. The amzn 550 redefines wearable display technology with a commanding 210-inch AR projection viewed from just 20 feet away, giving you the feel of a cinematic screen right in your pocket. Weighing only 2.6 ounces, this ultra-light headset keeps fatigue at bay, letting you focus on what truly matters. Introducing the iFrameX Pro, a dynamic way to revive your idle tablet or smartphone. This innovative solution breathes new life into your unused devices by turning them into a powerful, multifunctional display. With the iFrameX Pro, your device transforms into a smart hub that shows real-time weather updates, time with a flip clock feature, stock market information, and more. As a seamless interface, iFrameX Pro provides the ability to monitor your calendar, keeping you organized throughout the day, and offering a task board for easy tracking of activities. Samsung's latest innovation redefines how we interact with screens. The Premier 5 is a compact, ultra-short throw projector designed to create immersive, touch-enabled 100-inch displays from just 17 inches away. Whether angled toward a wall, table, or floor, it transforms any surface into a workspace, entertainment center, or gaming arena. Armed with an infrared laser module and camera, the Premier 5 transforms ordinary tables into giant interactive touchscreens. MeeGo Ascender charges forward where others stop. No threshold too high, no step too steep. Designed to climb stairs while cleaning with precision, this robotic vacuum breaks free from the limits of flat surfaces. With 9,700 pascals of suction power, it lifts embedded debris from carpets and hardwood alike. Built with a robust 17 Newton-meters mopping pressure system, it scrubs hard when it matters, leaving floors not just wiped but polished. The fully enclosed all-in-one base station keeps everything hygienic and hands-free. Dust, water, and maintenance are automatically managed. Introducing Dolly, the ultimate AI-powered desktop companion that is transforming the way we interact with technology. Designed with precision, Dolly is a cutting-edge open-source robot built on the versatile Raspberry Pi platform. With its innovative open hardware and open design, Dolly offers an engaging and customizable user experience, making it the perfect tool for anyone eager to explore the world of AI and robotics. The Hato 12-volt rotary toolkit offers precision and versatility for a range of tasks. With a powerful, brushless motor that reaches up to 35,000 RPM, this tool is built for high efficiency and durability. Its 12-volt system ensures consistent power, while the 3,000 mAh battery provides extended use, allowing for long hours of uninterrupted work. Designed with stability in mind, this rotary tool ensures smooth and controlled operation. The Getter X smart glasses combine cutting-edge technology with convenience, delivering a truly hands-free experience. Designed for those who are always on the move, these glasses allow users to access apps, translate languages, and manage daily tasks seamlessly. With direct app downloads, you can quickly install your favorite applications directly onto the glasses, reducing the need for a smartphone. Featuring real-time translation, the Getter X smart glasses are ideal for travelers and professionals in global environments. No matter where the road, trail, or water leads, the Fantic X10 Cross stands ready to perform with unmatched versatility and power. Designed to adapt across countless inflation scenarios, this powerful inflator features Fantic's innovative dual-pump system. It doesn't just handle car tires, it's perfect for kayaks, inflatable mattresses, sports equipment, and even vacuum storage bags. Whether you're setting up camp or prepping for the drive home, the X10 Cross is your all-in-one inflation solution. At the edge of fast data workflows, the TerraMaster D8 Hybrid takes command. Designed to balance speed and capacity, this 8-bay USB storage enclosure blends 2 NVMe SSD slots with 6 HDD bays, delivering the flexibility content creators and IT pros demand. With USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, it pushes data transfer rates up to 10 gigabits per second, ideal for 4K editing, backups, or expanding storage with no bottlenecks. When the dust settles and streaks blur your view, the HUT W8 stands ready to reset clarity with every pass. Whether tackling pollen buildup or city grime, the 3,800 Pascal suction power keeps it firmly anchored to glass, ensuring a streak-free finish on vertical surfaces. Its dual water spray system applies just the right amount of mist to soften debris before the microfiber pads do the rest. The Davoom Backpack M is a unique fusion of style, functionality, and innovation, designed to cater to the needs of anime enthusiasts and motorcyclists alike. With its customizable LED screen, this backpack offers a perfect blend of practicality and creativity, allowing users to express themselves through personalized animations and messages. Whether for anime raves, bike rides, or simply making a statement, this feature adds a touch of individuality to the bag. Crafted for those who value precision and security, the Oh My Key offers a seamless blend of biometric innovation and personal control. This isn't just another access tool, it's a fingerprint-secured device built to match your pace, your privacy, and your priorities. With your fingerprint as the key, Oh My Key transforms your fingertip into your identity, giving you one personalized touchpoint for access to what matters most. Built on a foundation of biometric access, Oh My Key eliminates the need for traditional keys or vulnerable passwords. Step into a new era of desktop design with the Machinike KT84 retro-style keyboard, built for those who demand performance and visual artistry. Featuring a fully customizable LED matrix, this keyboard lets you program dynamic lighting effects that make every keystroke a visual experience. The integrated TFT HD multimedia screen enhances functionality, offering real-time information like battery life, profiles, and animations in sharp, colorful detail. Elevate your hydration experience with the SodaStream ART Sparkling Water Maker, a sleek and efficient way to turn tap water into refreshing sparkling beverages. With a simple press of the handle, you can easily create fizzy drinks for any occasion, whether you're hosting a gathering or enjoying a moment of solitude. The SodaStream ART in black brings a touch of elegance to your kitchen, blending retro metal accents with a modern design. Its refined aesthetic enhances any space, making it a functional and stylish addition to your home. The Key Unity KF02 Titanium Multi-Tool Carabiner Clip is a practical, compact solution for those who enjoy outdoor adventures. Its titanium construction ensures both strength and lightweight portability, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. The 7-in-1 functionality includes a flashlight, which is bright enough for nighttime navigation, along with a bottle opener, screwdriver, and knife blade. Not every grinder fits a fast-paced, space-conscious lifestyle, but this one does. The XY Bottle Electric Coffee Grinder redefines portability with a form factor that echoes elegance and utility. Standing 10.8 inches tall and only 2.7 inches in diameter, it's shaped like a slim wine bottle, effortlessly fitting into travel kits, kitchen drawers, or countertop corners. But its compact silhouette isn't just for looks. Equipped with a 200-watt high-torque motor, this grinder transforms whole beans into aromatic grounds in a matter of seconds. Level up your mobile workstation with the Clumsy F3, new arrival's 14-inch portable triple-screen laptop extension. Designed to bring the power of a triple-monitor setup to your laptop, this sleek and compact extension delivers a seamless productivity boost. Each of the two side-mounted 14-inch displays offers crisp 1080p resolution, built with IPS technology for wide-angle clarity and vivid visuals. Whether you're multitasking spreadsheets, editing media, or managing code. Built to handle harsh conditions and designed for professionals on the move, the Galaxy Tab Active 55G is a workhorse in a compact 8-inch frame. Powered by an octa-core processor and available with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB of built-in storage, this tablet doesn't shy away from heavy multitasking. Expand your capacity further with up to 1 TB via microSD, ample room for documents, high-res images, and complex apps. Imagine a world where perfect nails are no longer a luxury reserved for salon visits. With this innovative device, you can achieve flawless nails without ever leaving home. It's not science fiction, it's real, and it's called Nimble. This revolutionary tool is the first of its kind, designed to effortlessly paint and dry your nails in just 10 minutes. Nimble uses advanced technology to scan the shape and size of each nail, ensuring the perfect amount of polish is applied every time. Fortified with unmatched endurance and engineered for harsh terrain, this powerhouse tablet is built to thrive in places where ordinary devices would fail. The RT7 Titan isn't just another rugged tablet, it's a survivalist command center, equipped with cutting-edge technology wrapped in a tough tactical shell. Whether you're operating in construction zones, wilderness outposts, or emergency response situations, it brings more than just connectivity. This Android 13 tablet features a colossal 32,000 mAh battery, capable of enduring for days without needing a charge. Built for writers who demand excellence, the AI06 Max stands as a cutting-edge navigation companion. With its seamless integration of CG Quick Release Base, BMW Quick Release Base, and an array of mounts, it adapts effortlessly to different bikes, offering unmatched mounting flexibility. Whether you're touring on a BMW GS or hitting the back roads with a sport bike, this system locks in securely and detaches with ease. When off-grid moments call for reliable power, the MoveSpeed Lite Pro 80,000 mAh power bank delivers with confidence. Designed to handle the demands of outdoor camping, road trips, and emergency backup situations, this 296 watt-hour portable power station provides a dependable 130 watt output. The digital display keeps users informed on real-time battery levels, voltage, and output performance, so there's no guesswork when charging critical gear. Take your workflow, entertainment, and creativity to the next level with the Lucos Ultra-Wide 4K monitor, a full cinematic workspace that delivers unmatched versatility. With a panoramic 49-inch diagonal spread and a razor-sharp 4K resolution, Lucos is engineered for those who demand more screen, more clarity, and more control. This isn't just a monitor, it's your theater, battle station, and productivity hub. Lucos offers a true 32:9 ultra-wide experience, allowing seamless split-screen multitasking that transforms a single monitor into multiple workstations. Experience a whole new level of flying with the DJI Avata 2, where the sky is no longer the limit. This advanced drone offers an immersive experience, letting you feel as though you're in the cockpit, with real-time visual feedback directly through your goggles. The thrill of flight is paired with the freedom of effortless control. No need for complex buttons, simply move your hand to guide the drone, providing a seamless and intuitive experience that even beginners will enjoy. Bug-Eye Mini redefines compact navigation for trailblazers and explorers. Designed to guide you through any adventure, this modern compass delivers a 360-degree floating bezel, ensuring precise direction no matter the conditions. Its coin-sized build makes it incredibly portable, fitting effortlessly into your gear without taking up space. Crafted for resilience, it features an IPX8 waterproof rating, meaning it thrives in the harshest environments, rain or shine. In a world driven by precision and adaptive technology, the Wearabot Pinot lamp redefines intelligent illumination. Unlike static desk lights, this robot lamp automatically tracks human faces and moving objects with seamless motion, It's equipped with built-in AI that adjusts its lighting angle in real time, offering consistent brightness exactly where it's needed. Whether you're on a Zoom call, recording a video, or reading, the Pinot lamp keeps you perfectly lit without manual adjustment. Life moves fast, and your floors should stay clean without lifting a finger. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus redefines convenience with its self-empty dock, letting you forget about dustbins for up to 7 weeks. With an upgraded 5,500 Pascal suction, this robot doesn't just sweep. It digs deep, pulling dirt from carpet fibers and floorboard cracks with ease. Equipped with a duo roller brush, it minimizes tangles and maximizes dirt pickup, making pet hair cleanup a breeze. Precision meets performance with the Fantic Solo Aura H10 Apex hair dryer, engineered for fast, efficient drying without compromise. Its cutting-edge 110,000 RPM high-speed brushless motor delivers a forceful 65 meters per second airflow, cutting drying time by up to 80%. Designed with user comfort in mind, the H10 Apex weighs just 0.74 pounds, significantly reducing arm fatigue even during extended styling sessions. The Toll Visual X stands as a remarkable advancement in virtual reality glasses, offering an ultra-lightweight design and cutting-edge features that redefine the immersive experience. Weighing just 190 grams, these glasses provide a comfortable, near-weightless fit, allowing users to enjoy extended VR sessions without discomfort. The 4.5K resolution, coupled with 360-degree panoramic view, ensures crystal-clear visuals. From sunrise runs to late-night check-ins, the Huawei Watch Fit 3 keeps pace with every beat of your day. Crafted with a sleek 9.9mm ultra-slim profile and weighing just 0.91 ounces, this aluminum alloy smartwatch blends modern minimalism with next-gen tech. Its 1.82-inch AMOLED display delivers up to 1,500 nits of brightness, a crisp 347 ppi resolution, and a 60 Hz refresh rate. Firing up bold flavors starts with precision heat, and the Gosney Dome S1 delivers with unapologetic power. Its quick-start rolling gas flame surges to 700 degrees Fahrenheit in just minutes, transforming ordinary backyard meals into chef-level experiences. Once it hits 950 degrees Fahrenheit, it holds steady, letting you produce Neapolitan-style pizza after pizza without a drop in consistency or temperature. This oven doesn't just cook, it performs. In a world saturated with constant pings, pop-ups, and pressure to stay online, the Mudita Compact brings clarity back to communication. This minimalist e-ink phone strips away the noise, placing your attention on what truly matters: real conversations and meaningful moments. Engineered with enhanced connectivity for seamless use across the US and Canada, this compact device remains ready for global travel. Its crisp, paper-like display offers exceptional visibility in direct sunlight while consuming minimal power.